Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to our Fall 2020 Virtual Demo Day for Brinc MENA. We hope that you're staying safe at home during these changed times. Throughout our virtual demo days, we're bringing together local, regional, and global investors, strategic partners, and corporates, widening the scope of exposure for our teams. Since the inception, Brinc has focused on developing technologies that revolutionize our way of life. We support startups that genuinely want to impact the world and become game changers and solving the regional and global challenges. We've been in Bahrain for 3 amazing years, driving the entrepreneurial ecosystem with great success, and have changed the landscape for founders, investors, and corporates on the island. I hope you enjoy the pitches and, of course, stay safe and healthy.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Kamaluddin, manager at the investment department at Temkeen. Supporting the private sector and making the SMEs a main pillar of our economy is our ultimate objective. Working with stakeholders and agencies who will be able to make Bahrain and the startup ecosystem more attractive and more competitive is our top priority. Also, part of the national initiative is to encourage the startup ecosystem by setting up platforms that will support, fund, and accelerate startups in Bahrain. A special thanks to our partners and wishing the 6th cohort all the best and prosperity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's good to be here with you virtually. I wish everybody good luck, but before that, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Badr Al Khalifa, GM Corporate Communication in Batilco. Batilco, we are one of the main partners with Brinc. We've been with them from the beginning, and we value this relationship. We think Brinc adds a lot to the startup ecosystem of Bahrain, and this is in line with the Vision 2030 for the kingdom. I think entrepreneurship skills and startups are important for our economy, and we think it's important for our youth to help them take ideas and make them into concepts and real projects and products. And we are proud to be part of this journey. And I know there's a number of ideas today that are going to be shown. Usually I attend all these demo days in person, and every time I get very excited to see the new ideas, the energy that people have and the passion they have about their projects. And today I'm going to be following this closely, and I wish everybody a good luck and take care and hope to see you soon.
Hi everyone, I am Fajr Pachachi, a member of the Technology and Innovation team at the Bahrain Economic Development Board. It is a pleasure to be here with you today, our next generation of leaders at the Brinc Virtual Demo Day. Today, countries are going through enormous transformation given the outbreak of the coronavirus. And that's really disrupting the way that we live and the way that we work. With these changes come challenges, but they also bring enormous opportunities to unlock entrepreneurial minds like yours. We choose to take these challenges and ensure that we are able to nurture and empower startups and businesses to innovate and to grow. Creating a supportive ecosystem is extremely important to ensure that we put together the right foundation to allow companies, to allow entrepreneurs such as yourselves to come out with innovative solutions and ideas to tackle these challenges. We're immensely proud of our startup ecosystem and supporting events like the Brinc Virtual Demo Day. On behalf of the EDB, I would like to congratulate all of the startups within this cohort and wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.